Welcome to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you a plugin for Photoshop which creates AI artwork. This plugin is free. The only thing you have to do is to go to the website, pick your Photoshop version and download this. This plugin was suggested by someone in the comments, so thank you for the suggestion. I love suggestions on new plugins. So if you have your own suggestion, make sure to drop it in the comments and I will check it out too. Alright, into Photoshop here. Let's create a new file so we can work on a white document. I have 1024 by 1024 pixels with a white background. Let's create. And I can see I already have this plugin here. Now if you install this plugin, just go here at plugins and you can enable it here. So first of all, we need to select an area where we want to create something. So I'm going to select the whole area like that. Now we can write a prompt. So I want to make a prompt that got over 80 million views on my Instagram Reels. So I'm going to make the same stuff. It's called a leopard eating a pepperoni pizza. And here is our first image. And I have to say, this looks really cool. It's even better than the one I created in Photoshop. You can see here, he even holds the pizza like a real kind of human. So what you want to do now is you can go through these to see different variations of your creation. And the good thing about this is it's actually free. So you can download this for free. I'm not sure how long this will stay for free, but for now it's free. So just use it as you want to. And once you have your idea here and the preview, you just click on import as layer and it's as a layer. Now the only downside about this is you can see the quality isn't that good. So if you're going to use this for bigger sizes, it's not going to work very well, but I'm thinking it's going to be better later on. They also have an upscale here. I'm not sure how this works, but I'm not going to do this because the plugin is a little bit buggy. So I'm going to check out the other stuff like depth. This is exactly what I did in the previous video. I tried the depth in Photoshop. Now you see we have imagine here, but we can just write some text and it will create this design from your text. But there's one thing that I also like from this, that it has a sketch option. So for instance, if you open up sketch here and you have a sketch of some idea, let's make a quick sketch here, like this face, like a really kind of kitty drawing like that. And if I use this sketch as a prompt, for instance, a face of a man, and this is like the idea of that. And then if here you can change the settings, by the way, if you want to have some other stuff here, sketch type, all that stuff, but let's just keep it at the original one. And now it's gonna generate this in AI. So you can actually turn your sketch into a real kind of serious design from your kitty sketch like I did here, right? So if you don't know how to draw, this might be perfect for you if you want to turn your sketches into professional kind of images. So let's take a look at what this created from this little sketch here. And you can see here what it created. And this is actually really accurate to my sketch. And now the only thing you have to do is to import this as a layer. And this is really nice. I like this. So that's pretty much it for this plugin. There's some other stuff that you can check out in this plugin, so I will leave that to you. Check it out. It's pretty cool. And the best thing about it is it's free. At least for now it's free. You can use it for free. So check it out and catch you on the next one.